You are going to love the 2025 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, leather trim seats, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.